Today I am going to discuss about value-based management. Value-based management is an approach that ensures corporations are run consistently on value, normally maximizing shareholders' value. Value-based management, it is a business philosophy and management system for competing effectively in the global marketplace, based upon inherent value, dignity, and empowerment of each person, particularly each employee, customer, and supplier. As a customer-focused service philosophy, value-based management is built upon a shared set of core values. As a management system, value-based management offers a logical framework for designing a company structure and processes to instill an ownership culture that enables the organization to carry on its mission most effectively. Because of global and technological change, companies are recognizing that their survival and success will require changes in the way that they do business. More and more, they are seeking new, more flexible ways of rewarding and motivating their workers while controlling costs and delivering ever higher level value to their customers. They are also realizing that these objectives are impeded by the advertising nature of the surrounding economic and cultural environment, byproduct of Taylor's philosophy of work, and inherent instability of the wage system. Businesses are coming to see that what is needed is a new way of thinking. This new way of thinking would not reject the critical role of system, but would redesign systems to put people first. It would create new management approach that rehumanizes the workplace. It would shift power, responsibility, and control over modern tools and advanced organizational system from the few to every person affected by the process. The new system would combine principles of equity, justice, and ownership with principles of efficiency to raise the performance of an enterprise and its workers to their highest potential in order to better service their customers and other stakeholders. Instead of tapping into wisdom, knowledge, and creativity of only a few, the new system would recognize the advantages of drawing out and combining the wisdom, knowledge, and creativity of every worker. Some of the most progressive private sector firms have begun to implement successfully the new approaches for motivating workers, improving productivity and quality, facilitating changes, and maintaining continuity in their organization culture. One comprehensive approach developed by the Center for Economic and Social Justice in Arlington, Virginia, it's called Value-Based Management or VBM. It follows market-oriented theory of economic justice first advanced by the ESOP investor Louis Kelso and the philosopher Mortimer Adler. The Kelso-Adler concept underlying value-based management revealed a systematic approach for enabling each member to participate fully as a worker and owner in the company, receive a fair distribution based on what he or she contributes to the company as a worker and owner, and organize with other members to correct problems or defects in the system affecting participation and distribution. It is useful to understand value-based management includes all three of the following. Creating value means actually increase the maximum future value, that is hedge strategy. Managing for value, governance, change management, organizational culture, communication, leadership. Now, measuring value. This is valuation. Value-based management marries the quality, educational and participation aspects of total quality management and open book management with the equity and ownership concepts underlying economic employee stock ownership plans. Value-based management provides a structured system for diffusing power down to the level of each person in the company. Value-based management offers workers an opportunity to participate as first-class shareholders in the company's equity growth and in monthly and annual profits on a profit center basis. Value-based system typically incorporates an employee stock ownership plan, individual and team promise feedback, ownership, education, and sharing of financial information, and structured participatory management and governance. Value-based management also reinforces within ongoing information and educational programs a broad understanding by all employee shareholders of the interdependency among every person, department, and profit center in serving the customer and competing in the marketplace. Experience has shown that where reinforced by value-based management system and culture of ownership, workers become empowered to make better decisions, discipline their own behavior, and work together more effectively as a team because each person contributes risk and shares as owner as well as worker. Value-based management helps unite everyone's self-interest around the company's bottom line and corporate values.